Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to see who likes you on Tinder Gold without buying the gold subscription. So let's dive in. If you don't have the Tinder app, you can download it in your Google Play Store or your App Store. It is an online dating app. So what happens is, in the match page, you can see profiles that you can either like or dislike. And if you like them, you might get a match. And once you get a match, you will be able to send a message. For example, here, I have a match, so I can type in maybe a hello, and I can click send. So what happens is, when you like a profile, you can see who liked you in a section, but you need to purchase the gold subscription. So here in the messages, I have sent a message. Then you also need to complete your profile. Mine is only 15% complete. You can do that by adding more photos in your profile. So this is the section where you can see who liked you, but it is blurry because we have not subscribed to the gold package, and it is about $15 per month. So you can subscribe to that, or you can click on the top pics section and you can see the people who are most likely to like your profile, because it assembles a list of profiles that are most compatible to yours. So all you have to do is go to the top pick section and you will be able to see the people who are most likely to view your profile. And that is how you do it. If you found this helpful, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.